Hey, my name is Julien Pasternak, and I'm a wedding and event photographer based in Paris, France. When I started this channel, the idea was to make street photography POVs, but last week I had an event to photograph, and this event was for a famous podcast in France called Dans la tête d'un coureur. Given how short it was and how I could shoot it, I decided to take my GoPro along and try to make a work photography POV, so here it is. I hope you enjoy it. So that's it. As you can tell, I could not move around much because there were a lot of camera angles and I had to be careful not to step into the frame. The light was also pretty bad, but it was the first time we were recording there, so it will be way better next time. Anyway, I was glad I could take you along with me. Did you like it? Should I make more of these videos? Would you like me to shoot a different kind of event next time, like a wedding or a party? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.